Welcome to Sewell Garage.
Well, like my grandson said, welcome back to Sewell Garage. I really appreciate you watching, and I apologize for lack of videos over the last 3 weeks. Well, I've got the Chevelle parked outside. We're going to take it for a spin in a minute, and I'm going to let you sit inside with me and watch this thing go down the road. I've had a couple test drives with it already, but just around the block, making sure everything worked. We're going to get it out on the road and get it up to speed a little bit and see how it feels. As you can see, I still have a lot to do. We've got the car in primer, so some body work and painting will be the next step, but and interior, I do have all the parts. I haven't put the rear seat in yet, and I'm starting to install a little bit of sound deadener in the back, but haven't finished that. But I do have carpet, bucket seats, and things ready to roll. If you're wondering about the tires I put on this thing and wheels, they're 17-inch. I found them on Craigslist. They are Nitto tires, and the back ones are just a little bit bigger and wider than the front ones. And as I walk around, you can see a lot of the things that I haven't finished up yet. I just have it in test drive mode, ready to test it out real good, make sure everything's working. I still have a valance on the back that goes underneath the bumper, so I need to get that on, and like I said, I just want to make sure it's running real good, and then we'll take it back to the shop and start some body work and paint and get this thing looking really nice. Hop in this thing, start it up, and let's go for a test drive. Find the keys. by the way, when I'm done with this Chevelle, I've got a 74 Ford Bronco under the cover there. That will be my next project. And I want to go through the engine compartment and tighten up a few things, make sure no bolts have loosened up. My engine builder recommended getting a wrench on the intake manifold bolts, header bolts, valve cover bolts, just making sure they're staying snug. Sometimes things can loosen up a little bit in the break-in process. Thanks again for watching.